Well, hey there. Hope you're having a great day. This is actually our very first reaction video here at Moteventure. My name is John, and I am excited to discover new music with you with every post that we create. Growing up in my teens to now, I've always been more of a top 40 pop music fan, to the exclusion of what I imagine are probably some really great classic rock, soul, R&B, songs that just because I wasn't exposed to them, I don't know of them. And so Moteventure Reactions is what I designed to remedy that situation. So our inaugural video for Moteventure Reactions is an early classic from The Doors. Although I know Light My Fire, Hello, I Love You, there are a lot of particularly early Doors songs that I am not familiar with at all. So the track that we'll be listening to today is a song called Soul Kitchen. And lastly, if you're new to our channel, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the post notification bell so that you will never miss a video. So let's get going with The Doors. Well, you know it's interesting when they have mono beginning. Very late 60s, but catchy.
Well, the clock says it's time to close now. I guess I better go now. I really like to stay here all night. The cars crawl past, all stuffed with eyes. The street lights share their high, low glow. Your brain seems bruised with numb surprise. Still one place to go. Still one place to go. Let me sleep all night.
Oh, now I can tell it's Jim Morrison.
Warm my mind with your gentle snow. Turn me out in a wonder, baby. Stumbling in the neon glow. With your fingers we quick minnow.
I like how it built up the chorus loud and then it dropped it all back down for the second verse. That's pretty cool. Listening to the lyrics, I'm like going, what is Soul Kitchen? Is it an actual like coffee place or bar, lounge, or is it like a metaphor for something else? If you know or you have an opinion, leave a comment with that information. It also reminds me, the hook reminds me a little bit of Smash Mouth. They had a song, Might As Well Be Walking on the Sun, or actually doesn't remind me of. I'm sure that that song would remind me of this, obviously, because this came first. So let's get back into it.
Speaking secret alphabet, I light another cigarette. Learn to forget. Learn to forget. Learn to forget. Learn to forget. Let me sleep all night in your soul kitchen.
Good guitar solo. I like that. And I think, if I recall, this is from their debut album, which is quite amazing that it's this catchy.
The clock says it's time to close.
Going back to the first
now. I know I have to go now. I really wanna stay here all night. All night. All night.
So, yeah, I thought it was a pretty cool song. Like I said earlier, I think it's from their debut album. Kind of makes me want to go, particularly like on Spotify, and queue up that album and listen to the whole thing. So let me know what you guys think of the Doors' Soul Kitchen. Leave a comment with suggestions of what you think I should listen to next. Whether it's a Doors song or if it's a song that you appreciate, and then look for that coming up on Moteventure Reactions. In the meantime, again, like the video, push that like bell, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you don't miss a video, and we'll look for you next time. Thanks a lot. Take care and have a great day.